Good morning students. So today we are starting with the exercise 3.2. So let me start with the exercise. Now we have seen in the last video about the operation on the matrices. Now operation means the addition, subtraction and the multiplication. That concept we have seen in the last video. So now let me use these operations on the matrices that are the question in 3.2. So first equation is, you can see that equation number 1 is, if A is equals to the matrix 2, 4, 3, 2, B is equals to matrix 1, 3, minus 2 and 5, and C is equals to minus 2, 5, 3 and 4, then find each of the following. The first one is A plus B. Now students, we have to find out A plus B. So what we have to do? A plus B. So this type of equation I have not explained in operations in that. So A plus B. So A is equals to 2, 4, 3, 2 plus 1, 3 minus 2 and 5. Now when we are going to add these two, that means we have to add the corresponding element to the corresponding element of B. So these two we will add first. So what is that? 2 plus 1. So you can now write directly because easy things are there. 2 plus 1, 3. Then 4 plus 3. So it is 7. 3 plus minus 2, 1. And 2 plus 5. So this is 7. Very easy equation here is A plus B. Now second we have to find out is A minus B. Now what is A minus B, students? So here I should write down first A 2, 4, 3, 2 minus B is equals to 1, 3 minus 2 and 5. So let me find out the minus subtraction. So what we have to do? Easy things. As in the addition, we are adding the corresponding element to the corresponding element. Similarly, here we have to subtract the element from the corresponding element. So here you have 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 3. 4 minus 3, that is 1. 3 minus 3 minus 2. So 3 plus 2, that is 5. And 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5, so it is minus 3. So this is the subtraction. Now the third we have to find out, that is A into B. So now let us start with the multiplication. So for the multiplication, I think you have seen the equation. So let me see this multiplication. So 1, 3 minus 2 and 5. So let me start. So what is the multiplication, friends? First row and first column. What we have to multiply? First row and first column. Corresponding element we have to multiply and then add. So here I am giving you one by one step. I am not writing directly. First 2 into 1. Okay. Plus 4 into minus 2. So this is given us the first element C11, right? You know that A and B. So we are getting the multiplication as a C. But forget it about the C. First, when we are going to multiply first row and first column. So first element we multiply, that is 2 into 1 plus 4 into minus 2. So this will give us the first element. Now for the second element, what we have to do? First row and second column. So let me multiply this. So you will get 2 into 3 plus 4 into 5. Right? 2 into 3 plus 4 into 5. So this corresponding element are multiplied. Now what we have to do? The second row and first column. Next we multiply the second row and first column. Let me see it. 1, 3 and minus 2, 5. Here one thing you remember students, these both are the square matrix, so number of columns of the A and number of rows of B are obviously equal. So whenever square matrices are there, multiplication is defined. So no need to check. But if the matrix is a non-square matrix, in that case we have to check the number of row of the first and number of column of first and number of row of the second. If they are equal, then only the multiplication is defined. So now here we have found the first row. Now let me find out the element of the second row. For the second row, what we have to do? The first, second row and first column. What we have to multiply? Second row and first column. So here 3 into 1. So this is 3 into 1 plus 2 into minus 2. So here multiplying these two. Now for the next, what we have to do? Second row and second column. So now it will be 3 into 3 plus 2 into 5. Second row and second column. So 3 into 3. First element. Then second element is 2 into 5. So this is the multiplication over. Now let me count it what it is. So 2 1 by 2 plus 4 into minus 2. This is 4 to the 8. So 2 plus minus 8. 3 to the 6 plus 4 5 are 20. 3 1 are 3. 2 2 are plus minus 4. 3 3 are 9 plus 5 2 are 10. So here you get 2 minus 8, that is minus 6. 3 minus 4, so minus 1. 2 20 plus 6, so 26. And 9 plus 10, so 19. So students, this is the multiplication of AB. Now I hope you are very clear with this, how to apply the multiplication. Because students, addition and the subtraction is very easy, but the difficult part is to understand the multiplication. Now how to multiply? That AB we have done. Similarly now we have to find out the, sorry, this is the third one. So fourth part, that is we have to find out B into A. Now we are going to define the multiplication B into A. Here AB we have seen. So please note down the part 1, 2 and 3 in your notebook. Just pause the video and then note down. So now we are going to find out 4. So what is our question number 4? In the question number 1, fourth part is we have to find out B into A. So let me start. Now B into A, that means the matrix B we have to write down first. It is 1, 3, minus 2 and 5. And A is 2, 4, 3, 2. So let me multiply. Now again students, same procedure we are following. That is the first row and first column. So it will be 1 into 2 plus 3 into 3. You understand students? 1 into 2 and then 3 into 3. Okay. So now again first row and second column. So that will 1 into 4 plus 3 into 2. Again second row first column. So minus 2 into 2 plus 5 into 3. Second row and second column. So minus 2 into 4 plus 5 into 2. So now when we multiply we get 2 plus 3 3s are 9. 4 1s are 4 plus 3 2s are 6. Minus 4 plus 15 minus 8 plus 10. So here we are getting 9 plus 2, that is 11. 4 plus 6, 10. 15 minus 4, that is 11. And 10 minus 8, so it is 2. So this is a PA. Now students, one points to remember that we have read that multiplication of a matrices is not commutative. So why it is not commutative? Here you can see what we have found AB. AB is minus 6, 26, minus 1 and 19. where VA is 11, 10, 11 and 2. So these two matrices are not equal. Okay, these two matrices are not equal. So that's why we can say that multiplication of matrices is not commutative. I hope students you understood the multiplication of VA. Okay, it is very easy. If once you have understood how to multiply, then we can easily find out the multiplication. So here you have AB and B. Please again pause your video and note down the part 4. Now we are going to discuss the next of this only. Sorry, it is not third, it is the fourth and fifth. This one is the fourth and this is fifth. Third I just forgot to do. So let me start with the question number 1, 3. Okay, so I am going to remove this, students. You should note down this in your notebook. So now let me find out the third. First is A plus B, second is A minus B, then third is 3A minus C. So here we are going to find out the multiplication of A with the scalar K is equals to 3. So you know that, students. Let me start 3 into A. So what we have to do? A is equals to 2, 4, 3, 2 minus C. C is minus 2, 5, 3 and 4. So what we have defined that multiplication with the scalar means we have to multiply each element with the scalar. That means 3 को हमें सारे एलिमेंट से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा, but only for A because it is 3A and C is separate. It is not 3 into A minus C, students. It is 3A minus C. So we have to multiply A with 3 then minus C. So let me start. 3 into A, so this is 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. Minus 2, 5, 3 and 4. Or you can write down plus in the book, but no need to write down as you can easily understood. Now 6 minus 2, so minus plus, so 6 plus 2, 8. 12 minus 5, 12 minus 5, so it is 7. 9 minus 3, 6. 6 minus 4, so it is 2. So this is your answer, student. It is 3A minus C. I hope you understood the first equation of the exercise 3.2. Okay, first equation is ABC is given to you and you have to find out A plus B. A plus B, then A minus B, then 3A minus C, then A into B and then B into A. So this is the question number 1 we have seen. So let me see now the next equation of this exercise, that is question number 2. So question number 2 is compute the following. In that you have addition is given to you. So we are not going to solve each and every question. We will solve the few question only. Question number 2. So first is AB minus BA plus AB and BA. So compute the following. What we have to do here? It is given to you. Directly add A plus A. And directly 2A. B plus B, 2B. B minus B and plus B, 0. A plus A, 2A. So this is, okay, 2A, 2B, 0 and 2A. Now you know that as 2 is multiplied inside with each element and 0, so we can multiply any element. So that's why these 2 we are taking common. So 2 into A, 0, B, A. So this is your answer. Okay, this step is not compulsory. If you want to do, then you can. Otherwise, okay. So this is easy question. Question number 2, 1. Addition is very easy, students. You can easily understand. Now second. So second is a square plus b square. Second is a square plus b square, a square plus c square, b square plus c square, and a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2bc, minus 2ac and minus 2ab. So this is our question number 2. Again students, it is addition. So we can do it directly. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So let me write down a square plus b square plus 2ab. Because we have to apply, yes, addition. Now b square plus c square plus 2bc. A square plus c square minus 2ac and a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now what is this students? You can see these are the algebraic identity we are having. The easy one is a plus b whole square. So we should write down a plus b whole square. This is a minus c whole square. This is b plus c whole square, and this is a minus b whole square. So this is our answer. This is the. So now students, we have completed question number 2, 1 and 2. 3 and 4 I am giving you for a practice. You can do it by yourself. So now let me start with the question number 4. Now question number 3 is based on the multiplication that we will take with all the question of the multiplication together. So let me start with the question number 4. So now our question number 4 is a is equals to 1, 2 and minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 1, minus 1 and 1. E is equals to 3, minus 1, 2, 4, 2 and 5, 2, 0 and 3. So now, and C is equals to 4, 1, 2, 0, 3, 2, 1, minus 2 and 3. So then, compute A plus B minus C, and also verify the third one, that is verify A plus B minus C is same as A plus B minus C. So these three parts we have to do. So let me start with it student. First what we have to do? A plus B. So we are starting the solution from here. First we have to find out A plus B. So A is equals to 1, 2, minus 3, 5, 0 and 2, 1, minus 1, 1. Even this part you can do it directly also. Directly add A plus B. 3, minus 1, 2, 4, 2, 5 and 2, 0, 3. Okay. 3 minus 1, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 0, 3. Okay. Elements are proper. Now we are going to add. So what we have to do? 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3, 4. 2 minus 1, 1. Minus 3 plus 2. So it is minus 1. 5 minus 4. So it is 5 plus 4. So 9. 0 plus 2. So 2. 2 plus 5. 7. 1 plus 2. 3. Minus 1 plus 0. So minus 1. And 1 plus 3, that is 4. So this is your answer students. A plus B. Very easy equation. You can try to solve. Okay. Now second one is B minus C. You can note down in the notebook because I am removing the A plus B. Now B minus C. So what is your B students? It is 3 minus 1, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. 4, 2, 5 and 2, 0, 3. Minus 4, 1, 2, 0, 3, 2, 1, minus 2 and 3. So here it is 3 minus 4. So 3 minus 4, it will be minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1. Second element, minus 1 minus 1. So it is minus 2. 2 minus 2, so 0. 4 minus 0, 4. 2 minus 3, minus 1. 5 minus 2, 3. Then 2 minus 1, so 1. 0 minus minus 2, so plus 2. And 3 minus 3, so it is 0. So this is B minus C. Done. So second part is also solved. Okay. Now third, we have to prove A plus B minus C and A plus B minus C is equal. So students, you can see directly what we have to do. LHS and RHS. So let me start with it. Now our LHS for the third part. You just note down this, students. So third is the LHS. We have to verify that A plus B minus C. A plus B minus C. So what is our A, students? A is 1, 2, minus 3. 5, 0, 2. 1, minus 1 and 1. Plus B minus C. Just now we have found it is minus 1, minus 2, 0. 4, minus 1 and 3. And 1, 2, 0. So this is our A plus B minus C. So let me see the answer. What is it? 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Minus 3 plus 0, that is minus 3. 5 plus 4, so 9. 0 plus minus 1, so minus 1. And 2 plus 3. Corresponding element to the corresponding element. 2 plus 3. So it is 5. 1 plus 1, 2. Minus 1 plus 2, that is 1. And 1 plus 0, that is 1. So here we get 0, 0, minus 3. 9 minus 1, 5. And 2, 1, 1. So giving as a result number 1. Now we are going to find the second part, that is RHS. What is your RHS, students? A plus B minus C. So here I am going to write RHS. RHS is A plus B minus C. So first we have to write down here A plus B. So A plus B, I am going to write directly. As you have seen, just backward the video and you can see what is the A plus B. A plus B is 1 plus 3, that is 4. 2 minus 1, that is 1. Minus 3 plus 2, that is a minus 1. 5 minus 5 plus 4, that is a 9. 2 plus 0, that is a 2. 5 minus 2, 5 plus 2, that is a 7. Then 2 plus 1, 3. 0 minus 1, 1. And 3 plus 1, 4. So this is the A plus B, students. You just see little bit backward. What is your A plus B? And then minus C. What is your C, students? Just note down the element for C. That is 4, 1, 2. 0, 3, 2. And 1, minus 2, 3. So let me see what is the A plus B minus 6. So 4 minus 4, 0. 1 minus 1. So 0, minus 1 minus 2. So it is minus 3. Then 9 minus 0. So 9. 2 minus 3, minus 1. 7 minus 2, 5. 3 minus 1, 2. Minus 1 minus minus plus 2. So 2 minus 1, that is 1. And 4 minus 3, that is a 1. So this is our second result. So what you have seen, students, this is the result 1 and this is the result 2. So therefore, from 1 and 2, LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore, A plus B minus C is same as A plus B minus C. It is very easy, student. It is a property of the addition. you can add or subtract in any order, your answer will be same. So that is the question number 4, third one. It is not going in the third one, it is given the question, find a plus b, b minus c and verify. These are 1, 2, 3. Like this they have given, but as we know, when we are going to prove, so verify matlab कि हमें prove करना. So that's why I have taken LHS and RHS separately and find. Okay students, so this is your question number 4. So let me find out question number 5. Now the question number 5 students, the question number 5 is a is equals to 2 by 3, 1, 5 by 3 and b, then compute 3a minus 5b. So let me solve. Now 3a minus 5b, so here 3 into a, that means we have to multiply each element of a by 3. So let me multiply each element of a by 3, then it is 3 2s are 6 by 3. Okay, or directly you can write down 6 by 3, that is 2, because 3 3 cancel, so you will get 2. 3 1s are 3, here 3 3 cancel, so 5. Here 3 into 1 by 3, so 1. 3 into 2 by 3, so 2. 3 into 4 by 3, so 4. 3 into 7 by 3, so 7. 3 2s are 6. 3 into 2 by 3, so it is 2. So this is 3 into a minus 5 into b. So what we have to do? We have to multiply each element of b with 5. So you can see whenever find the denominator, we can cancel it. So directly 5 into 2 by 5, so it is 2. 5 into 3 by 5, so 3. 5 into 1, 5. 5 into 1 by 5, so 1 as 5 will be cancelled. 5 into 2 by 5, so 5 cancel, answer will be 2. 5 into 4 by 5, so 5 cancel, answer will be 4. 5 into 7 by 5, 7. 5 into 6 by 5, so 6, and 5 into 2 by 5, so 2. So now we have to minus it. So 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. You can see 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 6, 2. 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 4, 7, 6, 2. So all elements minus, so 0. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 0. So our answer is 0 matrix O. Okay students, so this is the question number 5. So now we are stopped here with the question number 5. Another question we will see in the next class, which will based on the addition only. Okay, till that you can solve the question up to question number 5. Is there any doubt? You can see the question, we will solve. Okay, any doubt is there? And one more information students, in the question number 1 part 2, that is the b minus c. In the question number 1 part 2, that is a b minus c, a minus b, at that where here a minus b, that is 2 minus 1. So by the mistake I have written there 3, it is 2 minus 1, 1 will be there. Okay students, so please take care of that question and sorry for the mistake. Thank you and have a nice day.